it's Evie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an everyday makeup look because the last time I did one of these, my products have changed a bit since then. So I thought I'd do like an updated one for you all since that is what you wanted, and a lot of you guys like watching like my makeup videos, even though I'm not very good at makeup. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing a everyday makeup. It does change a little bit every now and then, but this is like the full thing with like eyeshadow and stuff if I would choose to do eyeshadow, and I'll show you like one of my go-to looks I would do. Hope you give this video a massive thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and also make sure to subscribe if you haven't already because that would mean a lot. I do lifestyle videos, I do makeup videos, loads of stuff like that, so make sure to subscribe to become part of the family. Also, I'm in a different background because my bed upstairs hasn't been made yet, so I thought I'd just come downstairs, and it's quite nice to have a little bit of a change of scenery. So hope you guys enjoy. I love you all so much, and also I'll be answering some of your questions during the video, and it'll just be kind of chatty and chill. So yeah, hope you enjoy, and just realised this is, there you go. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to use this palette as my mirror, and it's got loads of stuff in it. By the way, just to go with my look, I'm wearing this watch which is broken. So fun fact, woo! Have a few questions. I only put this up a little while ago, so there's not too many. So I'm just going to answer a few random ones, and Helen's going to read them out to me. So here you go, Helen. Thanks. Okay, so I am just putting some concealer on my eyelids because like I have really veiny eyelids, so like I need to get rid of my veins because otherwise under the eyeshadow you can literally see my veins. It's a tad awkward, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend in that concealer. I literally love this concealer so much. I've been using it so much recently. It's my Rimmel one because it's amazing. I've also got the foundation which I'm also going to be using. But honestly, this is so good. It doesn't last like that long. Well, I don't know. I mean, I don't really know the normal time concealer is meant to last, but like it's got really good coverage and it's breathable, like it says. Like, guys, buy this, and it's good price.
Gracie Everett, 3 T's at the end. What is your favourite part of makeup?
My favourite part of makeup, I don't really, do you mean like favourite part of putting makeup on or favourite part of makeup like eyeshadow? What do you think she means?
Probably the favourite part of like what you like about makeup.
Basically, my favourite part of makeup is that it's really fun because you can be like really, by the way I'm using a white colour just to set the eyelids, and you can be like really creative in like eyeshadow goes in like what you do with your makeup. Like you can try so many different things, and it literally, like when I put makeup on I just feel like ready to take on the day, you know. It's really great. So yeah, so now I'm using Sophie Doesn't palette because this is like such a good palette. Just use like for everyday makeup because as you can tell it has like really bright colours which I haven't used yet, and then it has like more like chill colours, do you know what I mean? So I like to go for neutral colours like everyday makeup. Don't know the exact shades because I don't have the film on it with the names anymore, but I'm going to use the colour I literally love in this is like this one, which is like caramelly. It reminds me of like caramel, or like this one. It's like caramel. I just really like it. So I mix with the one next to it, which is more paley. I literally just like put this like in my crease, and even if it's like one colour eyeshadow day, this is literally like what I go for. I'm just going to use that like quad of colours in there because they all are really similar, but they're like a bit different, do you know what I mean, at the same time. Like one's more pinky, this one. That one, as you can see, it's really pinky, but then this one is like more warm brown. So you just mix them together and you get the Evie look, which I love. Oh my gosh, look how nice it is. I literally love it. Okay, so now I use this like peach colour in here, and I basically use it over the top because I really love like peachy eyeshadow. I just think it looks so cute. If I apply too much, it looks a bit weird on me, so I apply like a tiny bit in my crease. Okay, so now I basically take a tad bit of concealer and put some just like on my eyelids, like this front bit, and it basically, I really like doing like matte eyes. That's like what I've been loving lately. So like I'll just take some concealer. By the way, I just say this makeup doesn't even take that long. Like, it's taking longer because I'm like talking through it, but if you weren't, it would literally take like 10 minutes or something. This is why I love it so much, because I can just do it like really quickly. It looks so nice. I love it. Okay, so basically I moved closer because I thought you might be able to see a little bit more of what I'm doing. I am basically putting on too much concealer on my eyelids and trying to carve it out. This is literally gonna be a fail everyday makeup look. It's all good, it's all good. Oh my gosh, I just had that all over my hand. Okay, so basically I'm using the lightest like white and then the brown as well to like set that, because if it doesn't set then it's gonna go all sticky and I don't like it when it's sticky. So I basically just set that. And do you ever have, I always have like good and bad like makeup days. So sometimes like when I do this it will go really well, and then sometimes it will go really badly. So, you know, it honestly just depends. Okay, so now I am using, oh dear, this is gonna be really pigmented. The white is like so pigmented, but I basically use this like under my brow because it looks like a natural like arch, if you know what I mean. Like if you just do like a thin line like right under. Okay, other question. Do you have any makeup product recommendations? Love you chick. Product recommendations. I would say a lot of the stuff I'm using in this video, because like obviously there's like other makeup that I love and stuff, but like in this video is I'm using a lot of like makeup I love. So obviously like if I use makeup on my channel and I say I love it, then it means I like it and I recommend it. So, you know, a lot of this makeup in this video. Any makeup you see, recommend it, go buy it. Woo! Next I'm going to be doing some mascara. So this is the Bourjois Volume Reveal one, and I'm using this on my top lashes, not my bottom ones yet because I haven't done my base. Okay, so now that is like my basic eyes. It's just really, really nice. I love it. So, Joy Vicky. I'm just gonna quickly get my stuff up before I answer this question. I'm gonna moisturize really quickly. So I'm gonna use my Nip and Fab moisturizer on my face because my skin's so dry recently. How old were you when you started wearing makeup? There's not a lot left of this word. I think, I don't know exactly, but I believe I would have been about 12 when I started wearing makeup, because I started my channel when I just turned 11? Maybe? I have no idea. But wait, I started my channel. Wait, no. It would have been when I was just turned 12, I think. Actually, yeah, so maybe. I think it was after a few videos after my first videos when I started doing videos where I used makeup and stuff. So I think I would have been about 12 and I'm now 15. So I've been wearing makeup for 3 years, but I'd say like I've been wearing makeup every day for about almost 2 years or like 1.5 years now. But I usually wear it like every single day. Alicia, what is your most used makeup product? Probably one of my mascaras, because I use mascara a lot. Like I use quite a lot of it. Or like a concealer maybe? Mascara or concealer, not like a specific one because I do change, but right now it's my Rimmel breathable one because like as I said I've been using it like a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna prime now. So I just did moisturizer. This is a really moisturizing primer which is really good, but it's the Barry Flawless Original one. So this is a new product. I don't think I've used it in any other videos before, but it's like a little squeezy pump thing, and it's like, as you can see, it literally looks like cream and it smells like cream as well, like that really like, you know, creamy cream. Great, love that description. Basically just use this all over my face and it will help keep your makeup on. I just like to have a nice primer on, and this one's a bit tacky so it like keeps it on as well. I never bought myself the aftershave Nivea thing because people say it's a really good primer, but like I've never actually got it myself. So if you have used that, then tell me because I really want to know whether to get it or not. This honestly, oh my gosh, it makes your skin like so soft. I love it. And then also, because I'm a little bit of a primer junkie, I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and just spritzing this all over my face as like a different formula primer as well, just to give my makeup a little bit of like an extra sticking powder, if you know what I mean. Ooh. This is like so refreshing. I love it so much. So yeah, that is like my primer, and then I'll let that like sit for a little bit. I think I'm gonna go in with some foundation. Wait, no, I think I'm gonna use some highlighter drops before. So these are my Barry Liquid Chrome highlighter drops. I believe the shade is Beam Me Up, and it's like a really pretty, it's like champagne gold. It's so pretty. And I just realized I could have rubbed that into my put that in my primer, because I see people like they mix these into their primer or their foundation, but I feel like this is just a little bit too glittery for that. I don't know, I feel like it would just be kind of glittery, so I think I'm just going to put it like where it actually like highlights. So I basically drop this on like my cheeks. That is a lot. I'm a bit scared to use the dropper on this because I feel like I'm going to put way too much, but it's all good. I basically am just going to put it, whoa, okay, we're going to have quite a glowy complexion today. I don't really normally have a brush to blend that out apart from my fingers, but I feel like if I use my stippling brush it might like blend out quite nicely. This is my Mofita stippling brush. I don't know if it's like Mofetta or Mofita. I'm basically gonna blend this all out and then probably like go back in with my finger and like blend it completely, because I feel like, okay, we put quite a lot on there. I mean, you can literally like put on loads if you want, but I don't like it to be like too much. So I'm using my beauty blender as well. Okay, as you can see, that is like so pretty. You might be thinking like, Evie, baby, you need to chill out. But once you put everything else on, this just blends out with it. So I do put on a little bit more than I think I need, because everything else will like blend it away and then we won't have that much left. So okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation. So this is the Rimmel Lasting 25 Hour, so it's like the matching one with my concealer. This applicator is so cool, and I basically am just gonna use this just around my face like this. I've been loving foundation recently. I think the reason I never bought foundation in the past is because I thought it would just be like really like cakey on your skin. I'm not saying like people with foundation or who wear it look cakey, but I just thought like it would feel cakey, do you know what I mean? Like you had loads on your skin. But literally this one anyway is so good. It feels so light on your skin, like breathable. What is your favorite lipstick? From ls_b_. I don't really use lipstick that much. I don't really know why, but I tend to like use lip gloss a lot more. But I do love my MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. It is really nice. The reason I don't really wear lipstick, I feel like it's because like if I wore lipstick, it just comes off in the day and it's kind of annoying. So I just like to go with like a lip gloss, because then if that comes off, it doesn't like go patchy or anything, because that's kind of what my lipsticks do. So that is that. You can put on more if you want. I don't know if I put on like loads or if that's not that much. I'm not very good with foundation, so I don't really know. There it is. But now I'm going to use my concealer, and this is again the Rimmel Lasting Breathable Concealer. And literally, look at the concealer compared to the foundation. It's so much more like orange, but it's like still my shade, so I don't really know. What's your favourite song by Chelsea? Oh my gosh, I love so many songs at the moment. I'm really like, with songs, like I like loads of different, like, is it called genres? I don't really know. Like I like the generic like pop songs and stuff. Then I also really like some like rap songs and stuff. I love them. So if you ever want to know kind of like what songs I like, you can let me know and I can like send you my playlist or something, because I've got a few different songs in my playlist. But I'm using my finger, guys. Whoa, shocker. I never really use my finger for concealer. I got really excited because Henna said to say at least one song. I got really excited because one popped into my head. This is literally just a random song that I'm just remembering being my playlist. Never Be the Same, is that what it's called? By Camila Cabello. I've been loving that one recently. But there is a lot of other ones, but that is just one that like popped to my mind, so that is a really good one. Okay, so the next question is, by the way, I'm just picking some random ones that I see here, so I probably won't be answering all of them that commented. Just said, how happy were you when you got 10k? Oh my gosh, I was so happy, you don't even know. Like, it's really weird because it went to like 5 digits, and that is literally the coolest like thing ever to see. I don't know how many of you watch my YouTube and have that many subscribers, or maybe you've just gone from like, I don't know, 99 to 100 or 999 to 1000, but it's like when you go to another digit of a number, it's just really, really cool. Like on Instagram or YouTube or whatever, it's just like the coolest feeling, and it like makes you feel really like, I can't explain it, but it's so cool. So it was amazing. That is like the one thing that when I made YouTube, I would never think that I would get like 10,000 subscribers. Okay, so as you can see, I don't know if you can see the glow on the camera, but I love glowy makeup so much, so I tend to make my face quite glowy, so I'm really sorry if that annoys you, if you don't like glowy makeup, if you think it looks like oily or whatever, but I love it, so you know. But now I just realised I'm using a brush that I usually use for highlight for this, so we're gonna have some glowy under eyes. I'm using my Real Technique setting brush. I'm going under my eyes with some of my Rimmel loose powder. But I don't like to powder my whole face because I don't want to cover the highlight. I just got that in my eye. And I think for the rest of my face, I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush. So I'm using my Primark one. I was about to dip it into my eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna like hardly touch my face and just mattify it. Now I'm doing something I love doing, and I am bronzing. So I use my Real Technique sculpting brush. I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, and I basically like bronze right up. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. The brush honestly is amazing. I start by like putting it like slanted, and then I kind of go and just kind of blend it out and go to town. Who is your celebrity and YouTube crush? I don't know about YouTube, but celebrity, I don't know why, but I just think Cole. He's from, Henna's laughing at me. He's from an Inspector, well, the thing I've seen him in is an Inspectacles, like the modern one, but he's really good looking. So he's my celebrity crush right now. And then now I'm gonna do some like under eye like kukus, which basically means under eye blending. Well, I answer another question. What is your favourite type of makeup? Natural, bold, bright, as examples. By the way, I'm just going to use some of the colours, eyeshadow colours that I used under my eyes. My favourite thing, I really like natural makeup, like I'm doing right now. Sorry, this is really hard to see, this brush is not gonna work. Some of you guys might not say this is natural, but I just really like glowy kind of, well, I see it's kind of like natural makeup, but then I do love like the bold look sometimes. I do love them, they're really good as well. Who inspired you to do makeup? I think it was basically just, sorry, for mascara I have to go quite close to the mirror, but I think it was basically because just loads of other people were doing it, like on YouTube and stuff, and I just thought like, that is so cool. Okay, so now moving on to my eyebrows. I'm gonna use my Freedom powder. Depending on how I feel, I either use powder, pomade, or both, but this is in soft brown, and I use the darker one first, like on the end of my eyebrows, and then I will use the lighter one at the front sometimes, or I'll just use the darker one like the whole way through, because, you know, daredevil. But I basically just do this to kind of make them a little bit darker, and then if I need to, I will use the pomade as well. I'm going to finish doing these off camera because it's kind of hard to do on camera, and then I'll be back once my eyebrows have done. So I've just done my eyebrows. Again, like always, they're really not very good, but I'm going to answer one more question. I am going to do a little bit of inner corner highlight in my inner corners. As you can see, like my eyeshadow is like quite matte, so I'm now using Salmon in my inner corners, which is a like NYX roll-on shimmer. Also, if you were wondering, I used on my eyebrows my Freedom like brow powder, and then I also use Gimme Brow by Benefit as well. So for my lips, I usually like just like not really wearing like any colour or anything. Reason I've just been like wearing like a lip gloss or like a lip balm. So this is the Lucas Paw Paw ointment, and I got this off Amazon, I think, for like $6.99 or something, around that price. I'm not sure the exact price, but it's basically something that I think you can use on your lips. It's basically just so it's like for cuts and stuff like that. So I use this on my lips, and it's really like glossy, so it's really good as well. It moisturizes your lips so well, and it also makes them glossy as well, which I love. So I'm just gonna put some of this on. So that is the end of my everyday makeup look. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye! Down here you can go ahead and click to watch my last video, and also to subscribe, and then down here are the names of my social medias, so make sure to go and check those out too. Bye guys!